Today I'm going to read How We Clean Up a Park by Robin Nelson and talk about transition words. Project time. My class has a special project. We are cleaning up a park. Getting ready. First, we put on gloves. We all get garbage bags. I see a transition word right here, first. This transition word tells me what they're going to do first. Next, we split up into groups. Group 1 gathers by the big tree. I see another transition word, the word next. This word tells me what we're going to talk about next, splitting up into groups. Group 2 gathers by the playground. Then it's time to clean up. I see another transition word, then. This word tells me what happens next. They clean up. We pick up all the trash we see. We put it in our bags. Adults help with broken glass. Finally, we sort the trash. I see another transition word, finally. This transition word tells me what they do last to pick up trash. We put cans in a bag for recycling. We throw away the other trash. That's how we cleaned up the park. How would you do it? Transition words like first, next, then, last, before, after, and finally can help make a text better. The end. Now it's your turn to tell 3 different transition words that you could use in your writing. Go ahead and fill out your activity list with those 3 transition words. Choose 3 from the book we just read.